What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new CSR2 video. Today I'm going to be talking about the best Tier 4 car in CSR2. And I think everybody can agree with me on this when I do say it's one of the best, or if not the best, Tier 4 car. It's, I think, one of my most popular videos. The GTR is, in my opinion, the fastest because just the stats. It can do 0 to 60 in less than 1 second. It does like 0 to 60 in 0.8 seconds with some tunes. And I'm gonna just fuck with this, see what I can do. So I know I can make it go faster. Just 652, 649. So the thing's running a 13.6. I don't want to measure that. 0 to 60 in 1.2 seconds. But yeah, this is my opinion, and I think everyone else can agree on it. Hold on, let me get these things out of the way, because come on. Oh my god. Oh, I guess I can take... Do I have the SLS AMG? No, I think I have the SLS GT. Fuck, man. Yeah, I got the AMG GT. Fuck. Whatever. So I'm going to do a couple races to show you guys. I do also have, I mean, as you guys just seen, or just saw, I have... Oh, let's get this out of the way. I do have the GT, the AMG GT. I do have a Dodge Viper and a Camaro Z28. Oh, the Koenigsegg one. How is he winning? We have the same fucking car. Oh my god. What the fuck, dude? They should let you restart if you fucking lose. I don't understand. Sometimes you can whoop them by like 9 fucking seconds, but then sometimes they beat you no matter fucking what. That shit's fucking frustrating. Oh my god. It's whatever. Let's just do a couple regulation races. I should be putting out like 2 more CSR2 videos today, and I think my channel is being like overflown with CSR2, so I might try to find a different game and see how you guys like it. I'm not sure how you guys are enjoying my CSR2 videos. They haven't been doing as good as they used to, but I just want this to be the CSR channel everyone comes to. Because I do have some of my videos kind of don't really make any sense compared to the title. Sometimes titles are like confusing to make. Like, I can make a video and forget to upload it, and like a couple days later I'd forget to watch the video to know what it's about, and I go to upload it and I don't even know. And I'm too lazy to go back and look at the video. So I just kind of like make up a title. I'm trying to skip to second gear. That's fucking terrible. I forgot to use NOS. It's such a delay at the beginning. Oh my god, a 14. Fuck. Or a 13.9. This tune's looking like shit right now. It says it can run a 13.6. I just gotta learn how to use the fucking car. I actually haven't used this for a while. I've been using my Lamborghini. This thing has 171 miles. 157. So I don't really know. I guess they're even. 22. Try a couple more races. But yeah, in my opinion, the GTR is the best Tier 4 car. It's the fastest, 0 to 60. The It's just insane. AMG Black Series. This should be like a 13.6 or 7 right here. This has to be. 13.8, whatever. I'm gonna get that time down. But I hope you guys are enjoying this CSR series. It's been great. All these videos have been doing so good, and the amount of subscribers I've gained, I've already hit 100, and that was just like a day or two ago, maybe 3 days ago, and I'm already at like 114 or something. It's insane. Thank you all so much. I'm fucking these gears up so much. This is literally like a 14. Yeah, it was a 14. God damn it. Well, hopefully you all understand what I'm trying to say. Not everyone's the best at tuning, so hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to hit that sub button if you did, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.